Kitezi landfill, the final resting place for Kampala's waste, has been the city's primary dumping ground for over 2 decades. But what began as a solution to waste management has become a ticking time bomb, leading to one of the city's most tragic disasters. In the late 1990s, as Kampala's population exploded, the city's waste management became an urgent issue. The Kitezi landfill was established in 1996 to manage this growing challenge. Initially, it was seen as a state-of-the-art solution, a necessary evil to handle the mountains of waste generated by a rapidly urbanizing city. Located just 14 kilometers from Kampala, the Kitezi landfill sprawls across a massive 36 acres of land, serving as the primary dumping site for the city's waste of 4 million people. Each day, thousands of tons of rubbish from neighborhoods like Kawempe, Nakawa, Rubaga, and beyond are piled into towering mounds. What began as a solution to Kampala's waste problem has now grown into an overwhelming burden, affecting not just the local environment but the lives of those living in its shadow. But today the reality is far from what was promised. The land has grown beyond its capacity, and the effects are being felt by the local community. The stench, the pollution, and the risk of collapse are just some of the issues the residents of Kitezi have to live with daily. And then the unthinkable happened. On Saturday morning, witnesses described hearing a loud bang before the waste came crashing down, engulfing over 45 homes in a devastating turn of events. The overburdened landfill gave way, burying homes and lives under tons of waste. Rescue operations are still ongoing, but the heavy rains have made the situation even more difficult. The Minister for Disaster Preparedness increased the number of excavators from 1 to 16 by Monday, yet the scale of the disaster, affecting 4 villages, remains overwhelming. In the wake of the disaster, the government announced plans to move the landfill to a new site in Ndundu of 136 acres that was purchased in 2020. However, the transition has been fraught with delays and controversies. While Ndundu remains unused, waste is being redirected to a temporary site in Nkumba, sparking conflict between city officials. As the dust settles, one question remains: what's next for Kitezi, and how can we prevent another catastrophe? The government's plans for Ndundu offer hope, but the clock is ticking. Will government act in time,